Here's the two boys. Hey there, Fluffies. And here's the one that's a little bit smaller and more gold. What's going on with your ear? Say hi to the camera. You guys are so camera shy. And this is Kelly's. Yes, this is Kelly's boy. Hi guys. Hi guys. Aren't you cute? Oh, you're so cute. Yes, you are. You're so cute. You was just playing, and then when a camera gets in your face, you're just like, oh no, what is that? What is that big thing? You're okay. You're okay. Yes, you are. Okay, aren't you? You guys are almost ready to go home. Yes, just got to get to that 2-pound mark. Yes, aren't you cute? You get down and play with your sister, don't you? Okay, say goodbye. You're having a bad hair day, yes. Fluffy, fluffy. Okay, say goodbye.